Hello, my name is Taylor. I am from Philly, Nebraska, which if any of you are familiar with Nebraska, that is just south of Lincoln, about 45 miles. I grew up on a farm. There we raise pigs, grow corn and soybeans, and do dirt conservation work. I am one of 5 kids. I'm actually the middle. I have an older brother and an older sister who both live out of state, and a younger sister who I actually live with. She is currently in nursing school in Lincoln, and a younger brother who would have been 16. My mom and younger brother and I were in a car accident in June of 2004, and unfortunately they had passed away. I received my Bachelor's of Science in Nursing from Nebraska Wesleyan University, graduated there in May of 2018. Upon graduating and taking the NCLEX, which are the boards for nursing school, I accepted a position at Nebraska Heart in the cardiovascular ICU. At Nebraska Heart, it's actually pretty interesting. We have a universal care model. So actually there we, as the nurses, admit, we prepare them for surgery, we send them down to the OR, and then immediately from the OR they come back to us. And so we are the post-anesthesia care unit as well as the recovery room, which has been just very instrumental in helping me to prepare for the career that I'm studying for. So at that hospital, we recover open heart surgeries. We do valve replacements. We actually just did our 600th TAVR, which is a trans aortic valve replacement, which is, just super awesome. We've had a lot of success with that procedure. We also do smaller vascular procedures, as well as we receive anyone post-code from the field. I am taking this class because I'm actually preparing to start a CRNA program in Lincoln in May. It is a 3-year program, and this is just the last prerequisite that I needed that I wasn't able to fulfill at my time at Wesleyan. Outside of working, which I feel like I don't have much time outside of work just because I'm at the hospital quite often. But I love to go back home and help on the farm, especially during harvest season. My sister and I are usually in charge of driving the grain cart. If we're not doing that, we actually also raise hogs. So we help load pigs out when we send them out, and then we also help bring them in, which is just super fun to see a bunch of tiny pigs come in off of a large trailer. I also enjoy running. I've actually ran 11 half marathons, and I'm signed up to run my 12th half marathon here in May, right before school starts. I enjoy spending time with my family, especially after losing my mom and brother. Family is just a very, very instrumental part of my life. So anytime that I can go back home and spend time with them is definitely what I'm doing. I also love to cook. I love to go to the lake. My family and I like to find different hole-in-the-wall barbecue areas and travel down to see them. So looking forward to meeting you all and taking this class together. Thank you.